I'm going to talk about the high voltage probe. First thing you want to do is make sure that you have this connected to true earth ground. I have a true earth ground right over here that I'm going to connect to. If you don't connect it to true earth ground, you're not going to get the readings be proper. You have to take your meter then, set your meter to kV, plug in the stereo jack into the side, like so, and then you can take the probe and put it on an electrostatic applicator. I've got an applicator here as an example, but if you're doing this inside of a booth, make sure you have adequate ventilation and the proper PPE that you have on. To make the proper measurement, make sure you have skin contact with the metallic portion of the probe. Then you take and lightly touch the probe to the end of the applicator with voltage on, and you'll get a reading. It should be within plus or minus 2 to 3 kV of your actual reading. You can use this information to troubleshoot your system.